Hey all, it's cheeseburger time. Who doesn't love a great cheeseburger? Wagyu beef patties, thinly sliced onion, get them caramelised, chuck the cheese on top, melt that. That's it, look at those toasted milk buns. Now it's time for the burger sauce. There's a link down in the description for our burger sauce recipe. Be sure to check that out as well. Right, put plenty of that sauce on, smash it with the pickles. You've got to have pickles on your cheeseburger, don't you? How do you make yours? Let us know down in the comments, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this. All right, almost done. Let's check out the temperature on this bad boy. Here we go. Here we go. I know what I'm hoping for. I'm pretty confident I got it. Oh yeah, look at that. Couldn't ask for a better burger. Absolutely gorgeous. Outback Rustic Kitchen, where food connects communities and people.